right, we're starting off with our Betty Crocker sugar cookie mix. I'm coming in with 1 stick of butter. You can tell this is 1 stick, and we let it soften on our countertop so that it could be nice and easy to mix in. Now I'm gonna add 1 egg. And that is all we need for this super easy cookie mix. I'm gonna come in with my rubber spatula, and we are gonna go ahead and mix all of our ingredients together in our grease 9x13. Now, obviously you can make a homemade sugar cookie. You could use sugar cookie dough for this, but I love that Betty Crocker cookie mix because it's so easy, it's affordable, and I love the taste of it. And we're mixing this all in our pan so that we can save ourselves the mess of 1 bowl, but you can use a bowl if you prefer. But we're just gonna mix this together until it's fully combined. All right, we got that fully mixed, and then we just flattened it down with our clean hands. But this is now ready to go into the oven at 350 for about 20 minutes. All right, our sugar cookie is out of the oven and it's chilling. I have a medium bowl here, and we're gonna grab 2 blocks of softened cream cheese and add that right into our medium bowl. Next, I'm coming in with my powdered sugar, and we're gonna do 2 cups of powdered sugar, which is probably gonna be this whole package, so we're just gonna go for it. Beautiful. And then the last thing we're adding to our bowl is some vanilla bean paste, and we're just gonna eyeball that as well. I like a lot of vanilla. Perfect. And we're gonna grab our hand mixer, and you know it, we are gonna make a no-bake cheesecake. And we just wanna mix this up until that cream cheese is no longer gritty. This is gonna be so yummy. It's gonna go perfectly with that sugar cookie mix. And then we have something extra special to put on top. But if you don't want to make your own no-bake cheesecake, you can just buy the Philadelphia no-bake cheesecake. But sometimes you can't find that stuff. So this is my little hack if you can't find it, and it's just as good. So we're just gonna mix this up until it's well combined. Oh my goodness, this looks so creamy and delicious. I think that is fully ready. Let's make sure that those beaters get cleaned. Perfect. We're gonna go ahead and put this to the side and bring in another bowl. And into that bowl, we're gonna add 1 container of strawberries that I chopped. We're adding that all in there. And then next I'm coming in with my strawberry glaze. Oh my goodness, I love this stuff. It is so delicious. And if you don't like the strawberry glaze, you can just do a strawberry pie filling or just fresh strawberries. But this is my favorite. You still get that freshness of the strawberries, but then you get that pie filling flavor. It's like the best of both worlds. Go ahead and toss those fresh strawberries in that yummy glaze. All right, you guys can probably see where we're going. We have the sugar cookie, the cheesecake, and now these beautiful strawberries. They're just in season. I cannot wait to be eating strawberries all season long. And look, I think that glaze was the perfect amount for 1 container of strawberries. All right, I think we can go ahead and grab our sugar cookie. Ooh, this looks so good. Perfectly cooked. You got those crispy edges. All right, we're gonna start off with our no-bake cheesecake, and we are going to layer that onto our sugar cookie. The combinations for this dessert are honestly endless. You could do a chocolate chip cookie with this. You could do a blueberry filling with this. You could do a lemon filling. You could honestly do everything and anything with this, which is why I love it. And you kind of get like a homemade taste with it without actually having to do anything fully homemade. But we're just going to spread that cheesecake right on top of our cookie. All right, it doesn't need to be perfect because we are putting our glazed strawberries on there.
They look so good.
Oh yeah, and we're just gonna kind of scoop them on there so that we don't dig up that cheesecake layer. We want these to be layers, not mixed together, but we are gonna get this done. This is literally the epitome of summer. Ooh, getting a little messy here, but I think it's gonna be worth it. Go a little faster too. You guys can take your time. All right, we are almost done here. Like I said, I just wanted this to be a nice layer. Doesn't matter if it completely covers up that cheesecake, as long as it's mainly strawberries on top, I am a happy girl. Perfect. All right, now we're just gonna pop this in the fridge for about an hour, and then it'll be ready to eat. Oh my, I am so excited. I think this has been in there for longer than an hour, but it is time to dig. And I'm gonna cut my slice. We gotta make sure to cut through that beautiful sugar cookie that we made. It feels soft and velvety. I cannot wait. Oh yeah. Oh, it came out perfect. Look at that, looks so good. All right, I have my plate here, our sugar cookie, cheesecake, strawberry dessert.
Is it good?
Oh my goodness, that cookie is perfectly cooked. All the flavors together, outstanding.